If you're both a Pokemon fan and somebody who struggles with getting a full night's sleep, then oh boy have I got the perfect app for you. Today we're diving deep into Pokemon Sleep, an app that merges sleep tracking with Pokemon training. It sounds weird, but it's actually a genius idea. So what exactly is Pokemon Sleep? The app was announced in a Pokemon Present stream back in February and has finally made its way to our devices. The main objective? Research sleep patterns of various Pokemon while using the app to track your own sleep. When you wake up, the app uses your sleep data to contribute to your Pokemon research. But there's more. Your trusty Snorlax also plays a major role. This lovable Pokemon will attract other Pokemon while you sleep, and you can power him up through various gameplay elements. So how does this sleep tracking work? It's super easy. Just hit the sleep button to start monitoring your rest. The app gives you options for setting an alarm and even playing some soothing tunes to help you drift off. Make sure to plug in your phone and place it face down on your bed for an extra layer of accuracy. You can also use the Pokemon Go Plus device. The app will use sound and motion data to analyze your sleep quality and duration, so when you wake up, you get a full report. But here's where the fun kicks in. Your sleep score and sleep type, whether it's dozing or snoozing or a full-on slumber, affect which Pokemon appear around Snorlax. You can befriend these Pokemon by feeding them biscuits to max out their friendship level. The higher Snorlax's strength, the more Pokemon you can attract, and it's a win-win really. So how do we keep Snorlax and our other Pokemon pals happy? Biscuits. Nope, not for you. Well, maybe for you later, but for your Pokemon. There are different types of biscuit to boost friendship levels, like the bonus biscuit, the great biscuit, and the elusive master biscuit, which maxes out friendship instantly. But we shouldn't forget about feeding Snorlax. You can tap on your Pokemon party for berries or even cook full meals for Snorlax to boost his strength rapidly. That's right, you can now say you cooked for a Pokemon. Once you befriend Pokemon, you can add them to teams that help you throughout the day. These teams provide you with berries and ingredients for cooking. Pay attention to the RP or research power and other specialties like ingredient or berry collection when you're selecting your squad. Each Pokemon can offer unique advantages, so choose wisely. Pokemon Sleep isn't just a fun gimmick, it could genuinely help you improve your sleep routine while giving you that Pokemon fix we all crave. So whether you're trying to catch them all or just catch some Z's, Pokemon Sleep is worth checking out. Have you tried Pokemon Sleep? Drop your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.